Finally today, it's been an exciting few months for the 21st class of the Oklahoma Agricultural Leadership Program. They recently hit the Madill area, touring manufacturers who serve farmers and ranchers, including the family-owned Oklahoma Wire and Steel. And that's where video production manager Craig Woods caught up with the group.
The Oklahoma Ag Leadership Program is a statewide program for ranchers, farmers, and agribusiness people from anywhere across the state. And the program consists of essentially 20 months with 13 seminars, mostly in the state.
Okay, my name is Mike Murphy. I'm the quality manager.
Today we've been here in Madill looking at OK brand wire and steel products.
When you find out that you actually have a steel mill that actually buys scrap and melts it right here in southern Oklahoma, it catches a lot of people by surprise. It's very unique to have that kind of operation in a small community of Madill, Oklahoma.
Thought it was spectacular. A company like this, family owned and operated for 40-something years, supplying farmers and ranchers in Oklahoma with American-made, Oklahoma-made products.
What are you talking about, the continuous gas?
And so they take anything from raw materials, essentially scrap metal, melt it down at about 3,000 degrees, and then form it into these billets. And then ultimately it goes to the next plant where it's converted into various fencing, whether it's barbed wire, cattle, hog panels, or whatever kind of fencing that they need at that time for their market.
Had no idea that we'd have the opportunities like that we've had so far. From going down through Altus, looking at cotton country, all the way coming back here to Ardmore and Madill areas, looking at research facilities through Oklahoma State and Noble, and then here at OK Brand. Well, there's agriculture everywhere in the state. Producers of all kinds and types throughout the countryside here in Oklahoma.
Part of the reason that we do such a variety of visits in our program is we want them just to be aware of what is all involved in agriculture. A lot of times we think of it as just wheat fields and cattle, and it's so much more than that. So we look at all different crops, we look at all different kinds of livestock. We look at the forest industry, and then ultimately we look at manufacturing that's related to agriculture, and it all ties together ultimately.